The modern transportation system is evolving into a fully connected ecosystem. By 2030, about 95% of new vehicles sold globally will be connected, up from around 50% today in 2021, transmitting thousands of lines of code. The connectivity surrounding this ecosystem must be secure, safe, and standardized. The International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, has developed standards that should be applied to every entity in the transportation ecosystem. This is the same organization that develops food safety standards, manufacturing standards, and standards for virtually any critical industry worldwide. The vehicle, traffic monitoring and control systems, rolling systems, emergency response systems, pedestrian devices, and all of the technicians and tools that interact with these systems are part of this complex ecosystem. The Auto Care Association and others within the aftermarket firmly believe that automotive maintenance, repair, and accessories should be included as part of this connected ecosystem. Implementing ISO standards and including the aftermarket allows the application of safe, secure, standardized, and direct access to vehicle maintenance data and can make technicians, diagnostic tools, and accessories trusted entities as the vehicle owner dictates. The auto care industry is an over $400 billion industry with the mission of keeping vehicles on the road safer for longer. Over 530,000 businesses today enable the repair and maintenance of the nearly 300 million vehicles on the road from the moment they leave the lot. In fact, 70% of after-warranty repair and vehicle maintenance is performed by the aftermarket. Providing over 4.4 million jobs coast to coast in the U.S. and 3.2% of total U.S. employment, this industry keeps modern auto repair affordable and accessible, including those of our essential services. Consumers should choose who repairs their vehicles, including do-it-yourself repairs. These vetted international standards, if implemented, can help consumers maintain their choice and feel comfortable that their vehicle data is safe and secure. ISO standards support the establishment of governance bodies made up of regulatory and industry stakeholders to establish fair and equitable policies that ensure safety, security, competition, and innovation. If not, individual vehicle manufacturers will determine what is fair, equitable, safe, and secure without consistency or standardization, which results in a lack of competition, innovation, and increased consumer costs while reducing consumer choice. Governance will allow various stakeholders such as maintenance and repair, insurance, fleet management, vehicle manufacturers, pedestrian devices, and mass transit to define policies specific to their services, but in accordance with the policies established for the overall transportation ecosystem. The following demonstration will show how these policies can be implemented in the repair and maintenance sector. These policies allow vehicle owners to control their vehicle data, choose who to repair their vehicle, and review audit logs of who has accessed their data and when. We'll also show policies that allow service providers to access vehicle data safely and securely, offer competitive services, and continue to innovate. The registration process is like creating an account with a username and password. Vehicle owners create an account and register their vehicles. The certificate management providers validate that the owner is who they say they are and that they own the vehicles they register. The certificate management provider then issues electronic certificates to the vehicle, like how certificates are issued to personal computers and smartphones, validating that the parties are who they say they are. The owner now has authority to manage access to their vehicle data. Similarly, maintenance and repair service providers register with the certificate management provider and create an account. The certificate management provider certifies the shop and creates their account. The maintenance and repair service provider then registers their electronic devices that will access vehicle data, and the certificate management provider issues electronic certificates to the devices. Once all entities have been registered and certified, all that is needed is authentication and authorization. If service is required for a vehicle and access to vehicle data is required, a message will be sent to the vehicle owner. This message will indicate who is requesting access to their data and what type of data is being requested. The vehicle owner can then choose whether to authorize or deny access to the data, like how a smartphone user chooses to share data with a requesting application. Upon a service provider being authorized to access vehicle data, they're able to see what part or process may be failing, edit details of the appointment, including purchase orders, understand which systems need to be tested or recalibrated, adjust costs, and review the service plan transparently with the consumer. It is important to note that the service provider and the device must be registered and authenticated before a request to the vehicle data can be made. The vehicle owner can choose the length of time the requester has access to their data. A log showing of when data was accessed, who accessed it, and what data was accessed can be viewed. Access can be limited to only devices within proximity of the vehicle or for remote access to data. For a vehicle owner and a technician, the process is seamless, with a vehicle gathering necessary diagnostic data and alerting the owner of a repair, the vehicle owner choosing where to transmit that data, and the owner authorizing the repairs to a registered and certified technician for the period of time that they choose in a safe and secure manner. The Auto Care Association believes that implementation of ISO standards developed for the transportation ecosystem can and should be deployed, and that these standards would provide vehicle owners full control of their vehicle data and choice of who repairs their vehicle, while allowing competition and innovation in the automotive aftermarket. In order to make this possible, we have partnered with several leading organizations. With nearly 40 years of experience, Green Hills Software is the worldwide leader in embedded safety and security. The company's platform-independent, certified safe and secure real-time operating systems, and embedded development solutions support the broadest range of hardware and software platforms. Green Hills Software technology and services have been chosen by prominent companies in over 50 countries to build their electronic products for everything from MP3 players to jumbo jets. With nearly 20 years of experience and over 2 million devices deployed, Munich offers the only universal car data access and processing platform for remote diagnostic access to vehicle data. Munich has been trusted to work with companies like T-Mobile to provide smart dongles for vehicles across the US and Europe. Providing the secure vehicle test equipment for Munich in this demo is Autocom. With 30 years of experience of providing diagnostic solutions and secure services around vehicle data, Autocom develops solutions for service providers, vehicle inspections, fleets, police, and military forces worldwide. With over 20 years of project and standardization experience in innovating concepts, Concepts and Services Consulting, or CSC, is a leader in developing international standards for automotive communications. And with 37 years of experience, mobility leader QFree is a supplier of tolling, parking, traffic management, and connected ITS and connected vehicle solutions designed to improve traffic flow, road safety, and air quality in communities all over the world. These partners recognize the importance of a standardized solution and have come together to contribute their world-class teams in implementing these ISO standards for the good of the entire transportation ecosystem and driving an industry movement towards a safe, secure, direct, standardized solution that supports consumer choice and privacy. Through the efforts of the Auto Care Association and these partners, these standards have been implemented and demonstrate that a safe and secure solution for accessing vehicle maintenance data exists today.